To warm up, alternate between a squat with the feet on either side of the ladder and the hop with the feet inside the ladder. Then get your blood pumping with lateral high knees. Lift the knees as high as you can and use the arms as you see fit. Start the workout with one set of single kettlebell overhead lunges. Ensure the shoulder pushes up into the kettlebell and the arm is locked out. After 8 repetitions, switch sides. The armpit faces forward, one leg steps forward, lower the torso until the back knee touches the ground. The repetition is complete at full hip, knee and arm extension. Do 20 ab tucks before starting with the next set. Now lunge with the kettlebell in the front rack position. Hold the kettlebell in your hand, under the chin or at your shoulder. Keep the torso upright while lowering your body until the back knee touches the ground. Keep the shin of the front leg vertical with the knee over the ankle. Done with set 2, again do 20 ab tucks before you start with the last set of this workout. For the third set of lunges, hold the kettlebell by the handle in your hand with the arm straight down. Engage the lat muscles in order to keep the weight stable. Exhale while powering up and also engaging quad and the glute muscles. The repetition is complete at full hip and knee extension. After 8 lunges with the kettlebell on each side, do the last set of 20 ab tucks to finish this workout. Cooling down, take your time to move in and out of half pigeon. But don't do it if you have any knee issues. If needed, use a block for the hips to stay square towards the mat and close to the ground. 3, 2, 1, go!